Peter says, any plans for the app Imagine HQ to be developed for Android? Peter, what a great question. This is actually a really good segue into something that Dan and I... Are you a
developer, Andrew?
Dan and I have been talking about this a lot.
We could use a developer.
Right. Dan and I have been talking about this a lot, and lately, internally, we've been working on our next big solution. Some of you probably know it's coming, maybe you don't, but our cloud solution is coming, and we're actually going to revamp the iPhone app, and we are going to release the cloud solution and the phone app about the same time, and it should work nicely on all phones going forward. So I don't think we have a timeline just yet, but it should be soon. Dan, you want to add?
Yeah, the way the cloud, our cloud system is more than just storage. It has a lot of communication things in it, a lot of database indexing, searching, proxies, thumbnails, uploading your reports, keeping track of all your, an audit trail of everything you've ever done, all those kind of things. So it's a rather complex system, is why it's taken us a good long time to get it out there, and we'll make sure it's right. But as far as this question, it will have, the cloud part will have a portal that you could access from any phone without even having an app on the phone to get in and see, real-time status of offloads that are going on, and also get into other things like historically, what did I do all day, what, yesterday, or this whole project, and share that information with other people and those kind of things. As far as cloud stuff, cloud's been coming for a long time. We've all seen it. We worked with Frame.io to implement that into ShotPut and some of our other apps. Well over a year ago, we started with them. And part of it is we wanted to understand how they did things and help them, in ways that we could do some things that they couldn't do. For example, we knew how to deal with raw footage, raw as in the 150,000 individual frame type format. And be able to turn that into proxies and upload those, which is pretty hard to do in a cloud situation. You can't really upload all those little files. You got to deal with it on a local level and then shoot it up. So we've been doing cloud-related things for quite a while. It's just all coming together here soon, hopefully.
That kind of goes in line with Tom Moser's question. With work from home, do your products assist in making sure media drives in different locations stay the same info, a sort of some check but remote? So yeah, currently our apps don't do anything like that, but that's one of the goals with the cloud, is that you'll be able to monitor or work with your team from anywhere in the world, and multiple people can be using the same cloud, and you'll still all be able to collaborate together. So I think that answers Tom's question. Not yet, but soon we hope to.
Yeah. One thing we should emphasize, Michelle, is that our cloud, at least a first cut of it, is not housing large data.
Yeah.
We're not reselling storage space for your media. What we're saying is keeping track of all the stuff of that you've done and pushing it around in an index, if you will, to all your activities and things like that. If I understand this last question, it sounds more like syncing or knowing, where did the media go and where has it been pushed to different places. And yeah, you're right. The cloud thing does all that stuff as far as, and not only that, but you'll be able to tell where a particular clip has been used anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'll be a really nice feature.